Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of kitchen convenience with the versatile electric cheese grater, a 150W powerhouse designed to make your meal prep a breeze. This 5-in-1 electric marvel comes equipped with 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, allowing you to fine shred, coarse shred, chop, thick slice, or thin slice a variety of foods, from block cheese to fruits and vegetables. Imagine effortlessly creating salads or grating cheese, slicing carrots, potatoes, cucumbers, and even making bread and cracker crumbs with just a touch of a button. Thanks to its high-power motor, this electric grater speeds up your cooking process, making it not only efficient but also incredibly easy to use with its one-touch control system. Simply place your ingredients into the feeding tube, use the push rod, and watch as your food is perfectly prepared directly into your bowl. Its compact design ensures it fits neatly on your countertop, and cleaning is a breeze with detachable parts that are dishwasher safe. Remember, while the blades and feeding tube can be washed, the main unit should be wiped clean with a damp cloth to maintain its longevity. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.